Hello everyone, my name is Jumah Alkhaibari. I am a third year PhD student in environmental health sciences at the University of Arizona. In this presentation, I will be sharing my summer experience as a Global Health Institute scholar in Egypt at the American University in Cairo. Mainly, my presentation will be focusing on the public health project I participated in, which is AL-SEHA project. Also, I'm going to talk about the experience I learned from working with an international team and how this experience has shaped my academic and professional journey. Finally, I'm going to end my presentation by talking about my overall experience in Egypt while I was visiting some touristic places. Before diving deeper into my summer experience, I see that it's a good idea to talk about or to talk briefly about Global Health Institute and the Al-Seha project. Global Health Institute aims to provide students with diverse opportunity to engage globally and explore the critical role public health professionals play in various global health settings. Al-Seha project is an ongoing research project that aims to understand the health and well-being of older adults in Egypt. In general, Al-Seha project has several sub-projects, and each one is led by either a professor or postdoc or a PhD student. I participated in three projects. First one was late life depression, LLD. The second one was elderly and well-being, and the third one was environmental factors and their impacts on elderly. My participation was by doing literature review, editing draft, discussion, and also data interpretation. During my summer experience, I gained a combination of academic, professional, cultural, and personal skills, such as effective professional communications, problem solving, teamwork, and networking. Regarding the future direction of my summer experience, I'm planning to study environmental factors such as heat exposure, food safety, and food insecurity in and their impact in elderly. My summer experience has a very positive impact on my academic and research journey, such as setting my aims for my thesis and my future career goals, as I am planning to work with humanitarian agencies such as King Salman Relief Center and WHO and UN. Lastly, I'm planning to apply my experience in different settings when I finish my program. These pictures were taken upon my arrival to Egypt from the upper left, when I got into the airport, then when I got my visa, then when I met my preceptor, Dr. Salama, then when I was assigned to faculty housing, and the last one when I was on campus. Beyond that, when I had free time, I visited couple places like touristic places such as Egyptian Civilization Museum, Abdeen Museum. I saw the pyramids. I rode a camel. I ate outside like Egyptian food. I visited Cairo Tower. Finally, I would like to express my gratitude to the Global Health Institute and all the sponsors who supported my summer experience. I'm also grateful I'm thankful for my supervisor for the supporting letter, and also for grateful for my mentor in Egypt for his guidance and collaboration. I want to thank my family and friends for their support during and after my experience. Thank you so much for watching this. If you have any questions, please reach me by my email.